Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros Z70 not connecting to Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's begin with the first thing, which is moving your router closer. Remember that if you have a large home, then your robot may lose connection in some places, and that is totally expected, and there's not really much you can do about it. But the most important is that the robot has Wi-Fi connection around its base. So when it's in the base, when it's docked, it should have the best connection, and that'll ensure that all the updates can be installed, that you can operate the robot when it's in the station, because that's when it's most important, right? You can start tasks, you can change its settings when it's in the station and stuff like that. But if moving the router closer to the robot didn't help, or the robot closer to the router, try restarting your robot by removing it from the station first, then pressing and holding on the power button on top of the robot until it turns off, and then putting it back in. And also try restarting your router if you can. Then after that, if that didn't help, put your robot in the charging station. By the way, it cannot be restarted when it's in the station, so that's why I told you to remove it. Put it in the station, press and hold on both buttons on top of the robot, and it'll say resetting Wi-Fi out loud. After that, you can go to the ROBOROCK app, and you will find the name of the robot. Sorry. You need to click on this tiny arrow, and then you'll find delete device. Then click on OK, and now click on add device. Now you can add manually and just select Z70 from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. Now it is important that you select a 2.4 gigahertz network, which means that if you have just one network at home, it will work. But if you have two networks of a similar name, there's a chance that one of them contains 5G or 5 gigahertz in the name, and that network won't work. So make sure to select to the connect to the other one. Like it'll either say 2.4G or just won't say nothing. Later you can see once you're connected to that network, you'll need to enter the password of that network so it can be sent to the robot. Later it'll tell you to enter network setup. We've already pressed and held on both buttons on top of the robot. Then you can click on next, and now you can click on connect to devices Wi-Fi. That'll get you to your phone's settings, and you can simply go to Wi-Fi and find a network that starts with ROBOROCK. Then go back, and it'll start connecting. Just go into the ROBOROCK app, and in a moment it'll be connected. If that didn't help, then you may want to check out a video on our channel on how to factory reset your device, but it should technically help in most cases. So factory reset is a last resort, and after that you'll need to set up the device by connecting it to the app, just like I did right now after deleting it. So yeah, but you could also just watch a video on how to connect it to the app. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.